Hi children, how are you? I hope all are fine at home, present situation. Till now, we successfully completed two video classes about bridge course. In first video, we have learned about properties of integers. In that, closure property and addition and subtraction and multiplication and division. And commutative property and associative property and distributive property. In second video, we have learned about fractions and types of fractions and operations on fractions. Today, we are going to learn about first chapter for 7th class. The chapter name is integers. Integers. Before we have to learn about integers, once we recall about natural numbers and whole numbers. First, natural numbers. Natural numbers. It starts with 1. It is start with 1. It is start with 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so and so, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so and so, etc. These numbers are called natural numbers. Here, two questions. First one, the smallest natural number is 1. The greatest natural number is does not exist or infinite. Once again, the smallest natural number is 1 and the greatest natural number is does not exist or undefined. So it is denoted by capital N. So n equal to the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so and so, etc. This is the natural number set. Next, going to take whole numbers. It starts with 0. It is start with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so and so, etc. So these numbers are called whole numbers. It's denoted by capital W. So W equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so and so, etc. So these numbers, what is that? Whole numbers. Here smallest whole number is 0. The greatest whole number is does not exist or undefined. So this is the whole number. Now integers. You know about negative numbers and positive numbers. So all negative numbers and positive numbers including 0, that numbers are called integers. All negative numbers positive numbers and 0. These numbers are called integers. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so and so, etc. So and so, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so and so. Once see children here. So 0 on right side, numbers positive numbers. of left side of 0 are negative numbers. So many negative numbers are there left side of 0 and so many positive numbers are there right side of 0. So here what is the greatest integer? What is the greatest integer? The answer is undefined or does not exist. What is the smallest integer? What is the smallest integer? That answer also does not exist or undefined. Here one see children, here 0 is there. So what is the 0? 0 either positive nor negative. Once again, 0 is either positive nor negative. So next we coming to discuss exercise 1 of integers. Exercise 1. The first problem, some integers are marked on number line. Which is the biggest? Which is the biggest and which is the smallest? -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Here marked integers are -3 and right side 2. One see children, this is the question exercise 1. Some integers are marked on number line. Which is the biggest and which is the smallest? This is the number line. Some integers are given. So -6, -5, -4, -3 and -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here marked integers are on left side -3 and right side -2. Here asking which is the biggest and which is the smallest. So see children, here what is the greatest? Which is the greatest integer are marked? 2 marked and -3 marked, mean round up. So 2 is positive number, -3 is the negative number. So what is the biggest marked integer here? 2. Answer is 2. So which is the biggest integer mean 2. Which is the smallest integer mean -3. Why? Because they given underline or circle these two numbers only. Here asking some integers are marked number line. Which is the biggest and which is the smallest? Take these two numbers. Why? Because they given circle. You compare these two numbers only. Which is the smallest and which is the biggest. So biggest integer of given circle equal to 2 and smallest integer equal to -3. Why? Because 2 and why? Because 3 mean they given circle. These two numbers have only circles. This is the positive, this is the negative. Clear children? Next, going to second problem. Clear children? Now second problem. Write the integers. This is second one. Write the integers between. Write the integers between the pairs of integers. The pairs of integers pairs of integers given below. And also choose the biggest. Also choose the biggest and smallest integers from them. Integers from them. Once see children, the second question is write the integers between the pairs of integers given below. Also choose the biggest and smallest integers from them. The first question is -5 and -10. See children, the first problem -5 -10. The second one is 3 -2. The third one -8 5. Here three problems given. First one -5 -10. The second one is 3 -2. The third one -8 and 5. First see children, given question. The integers between the pairs of integers. So you have to write how many integers are there between -5 and -10. Take first one -5 and -10. So -10 after -9, after -8, after -7, next -6, after -5 given. Here asking between. Between means have to write start from -9, -8, -7 and -6, and again you have to write biggest and smallest integers. Here biggest integer and smallest integer. So biggest integer equal to -6, and the smallest integer equal to -9. See children, biggest integer -6 and the smallest integer -9. This is the first one. Now second one, what is the given? 3 and -2. What is that children? 3 -2. You have to write between the integers of 3 and -2. So -2 after -1, after 0, after 1, after 2, after 3 given. So what is the between numbers? -1, 0, 1 and 2. Once again children, already -2 given. After -1 is there, after 0, after 1, after 2. Now biggest integer. What is the biggest children? 2. And smallest integer equal to -1. Biggest equal to 2 and the smallest is equal to -1. Now third problem. What is that? -8 and 5. You have to write between numbers. -7, -8 after what is that? -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So -8 and 5 between -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here biggest equal to what? 4. That is the biggest. So once see children, what is the positive numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in positive numbers 4 is the biggest. That only biggest integer of these all numbers. Next, smallest equal to what? -7. -7. This is the answers. Once again children, -5, -10, biggest -6, smallest -9. So here -1, 0, 1, 2, biggest 2, smallest -1. So there biggest value equal to 4, smallest equal to -7. Next third problem. Clear, children? Next, third problem. Write the following integers. Write the following integers. Write the following integers in ascending order. In ascending order. What is the ascending order? Already we discussed about ascending. Ascending means small to big, smallest to big, small to big. So first problem, -5 to 1 -8. The second problem is -4 -3 -5 2. -4 -3 -5 2. The third problem, -10 -15 the 7 -7. See children, write the following integers in ascending order. Ascending order. So what about ascending order? Small to big. We have to arrange of the given integers in small to big. So first problem, -5 to 1 -8. First problem, take first one, -5 plus 2 plus 1 -8. Ascending order, A dot O. A dot O mean what children? Ascending order. Ascending order mean small to big. So see children here, what is the smallest integer? So first take negative numbers. What is the negative numbers? -5 and -8. This is the -8. So -5 -8. Which is the smaller? -8 is the smaller. First take -8. After what? -5. After 1 and 2 both are positive numbers. So 1 less than the 2. So take 1 after 2. So now ascending order of -5 to 1 -8. Answer is -8, -5, 1 and 2. Next, second one. Second one is -4, -3, -5, 2. Right in ascending order. A dot O mean ascending order. So first take negative numbers. Which are negative numbers here? -4, -3 and -5. So which is the smallest first? -5. After -4. After -3. After 2. After 2. What's see children? Ascending order mean small to big. So first one is -5 is smallest, after -4, after -3, after 2. So this is the second problem answer. What is the left children? Third problem, that -10, -15 and -7. See children, -10, -15 and -7. So ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. So which is the smallest first? Tell me children. -15. After that -10. After that -7. -7. So first one is -15. After -10. After -7. This is the solutions of third question. What is the third question? Write the following integers in ascending order. What about ascending order? Small to big. So next, fourth problem. Next, fourth question. write the following integers. Write the following integers in descending order. Once see children, what about descending order? Descending order means big to small. This is the opposite of ascending order. What about ascending order? Small to big. Now descending order is big to small. The first question is -2, -3, -5. The second question is -8, -2, -1. The third one is 5, 8, -2. See children, what is the given question children? Once see carefully here. Write the following integers in descending order. The first question -2, -3, -5. So take that problem. First one -2, -3 and -5. So D dot O. What about D dot O? D dot O means descending order. Already we wrote A dot O. A dot O means ascending order. D dot O means what? Descending order. So here see children, -2, -3 and -4, 5. So 3 integers are given. How many integers are given here? 3. In this descending order, we know big to small. What is the biggest integer? How given these 3 numbers? So first one is -2 is the biggest number. After what children? -3. What is that? -3. After that -5. So first question is -2, -3, -5. So descending order -2 and -3 and -5 is the answer. Next second question -8, -2, -1. Descending order big to small. So -8, -2 and -1. What is the biggest number here? -1 is the biggest number. Next one what children? -2. Next one -8. So -1 after that -2 after that -8. So this is the descending order. What is the third question children? The third one is 5, 8, -2. 5, 8, -2. So descending order means big to small. Here what is the biggest number? Once see children, here 3 numbers are given. So in that once compare here, once clarify here. So 5 and 8 both are first 2 numbers. Which is the negative number? So -2 is the negative number. Keep left -2. Take 5 and 8. So these 2 numbers which are bigger, 8 is the bigger number. After that what children? 5. After that -2. So descending order of 5, 8, -2 equal to 8, 5 and -2. This is the which question children? Fourth one. Now going to take fifth problem. Are you clear children? Any confused? Yes, no confused I think. Now fourth problem. Write represent 6 -4 0 and 4. Represent 6 -4 0 and 4 on a number line. Once see children, represent. What is the represent? Show on number line. Which number show on number line? 6 -4 0 and 4. So once draw this line. In middle 0. On right side you have to take positive numbers. Next left side you have to take negative numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so and so. On left side, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, so and so. So many negative numbers are there left side of 0, and so many positive numbers are there of right side of 0. So here which numbers are given? 6 given. Where is the 6? It is a positive number. It is there on right side of 0. This is the 6. Round up. This is the 6. Next, what is that? -4. So -4 is the negative number. It is there left side of 0. So this is the -4. Are you clear, children? Yes. Next, 0. Where is the 0? This is the 0. This is the 0. Next one, what, amma? 4. That also positive number. It is there right side of 0. So this is the 4. So 6 here, and -4 left side, 0 this, and 4 this is the represent or showing. This is the answer of fifth question. Next, sixth problem. Next, seventh question, amma. Sorry, sixth question. Sixth one. Fill the missing numbers fill the missing number on the number line given below. See, children, what is the sixth question, children? Fill the missing numbers. Missing numbers mean missing integers on the number line given below. So this is the number line. Some numbers are given and some missing numbers also there here. So 0 and 4. Which integers are there? 0 after what? 1. After 2. After 3. So between 0 and 4. 1, 2, 3, and between 4 and 8, which integers are there? 5, 6, and 7. So between 4 and 8, which integers, children? 5, 6, and 7. These are positive integers. Now come to take left side. So 0 to -9. 0 to -9. So which integers are there? Once we take, children. So -1. -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, and -8. See, children, 0. Left side of 0. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. So these are left side integers. Today homework, children, that is your task at home. So write the following integers in ascending order. The first problem, -7, 3, 5, -5, -70. The second problem, that is B problem, -9, -10, 8, 7, -10. The second problem, write the following integers in descending order. A problem, -3, -2, -15. B problem, -18, -3, -5. These two problems, homework problems. Tomorrow, next class, not tomorrow, next class we will discuss about properties of integers and operation of addition and operation of integers and number line. Thank you, children.